I'm going to give you a quick walk around this car that's just come back from the paint shop. It's a DB4, or they may not think it's a DB4 because it's got the enclosed headlights, but this was one of the last DB4s to have those enclosed headlights. 1962, it's Vantage-spec, meaning it's got a uprated engine. It's 9:1 compression ratio, 266 brake horsepower as opposed to 240 with a non-Vantage car. It's also Roman purple, I think it's called, which reportedly was David Brown's favourite colour. And this particular model, I think they made 45, and this is the only one in Roman purple. So it's quite a rare car. The interior we didn't fully restore. We replaced the carpets, but we didn't retrim the leather to keep the original character of the car, which is something that actually I really like, and I think it should be done more often, because when you fully retrim a car, you really lose the personality. But obviously the exterior has had all metalwork and paintwork done. The whole bottom foot of the car has been replaced by Ed in our fabrication room, and then Harry has done a wonderful job of painting the car in this colour.